Hello? I'm Sack. I paid the cartoon mermaid for $28, and she looks like a fish. How do you know? It's Cutie. So, you want to see her? Ooh. Look, it's a mermaid. She looks kinda cute. I would like to call her Isla. As you know, Isla had her mermaid tail. The mermaid tail had fins and scales on it. I would like to go on the ocean along with Isla. But wait. This file is from Maya 2019. There is rigging, works only in Maya, and no rigging, like FBX or OBJ. Well, seriously, I don't know how to find it. Now, Isla was first appeared in 2021, and she was a supporting role. Isla was voiced by Streamlabs Ivy, and her voice sounds younger. Most likely, I can go on the undersea adventure, like water, sea, and ocean. I hope it's not too chilly, huh? Okay then, make sure you can leave a like and drop a comment on this video. Alright, I'll see you next time. Hee hee.